Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're about to dive into a world of travel innovation gadgets and gear designed to elevate your adventures. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big trip, these cutting-edge inventions are here to make your journeys smoother, safer, and a whole lot more enjoyable. We're talking next-level tech here, people. From real-time translation earbuds to solar-powered chargers, we've got you covered. So buckle up, get ready to upgrade your travel essentials, and let's jump right into the future of travel tech. Alright, let's kick things off with a game-changer for international travel. The Wooask TransBuds A8. These innovative earbuds are designed to make your travel experiences smoother and more enjoyable. By breaking down language barriers that often cause stress and confusion, these aren't your average earbuds. These are powered by the AI powerhouse, ChatGPT. This means they are equipped with advanced language processing capabilities that can handle multiple languages with ease, providing you with accurate and reliable translations. Imagine this, you land in a foreign country, pop in these earbuds, and boom, real-time translation right in your ears. Whether you're navigating through bustling markets asking for directions or simply trying to make small talk, these earbuds have got you covered. No more fumbling with phrasebooks or awkward hand gestures. The Wooask TransBuds A8 eliminate the need for traditional translation tools, allowing you to communicate naturally and confidently. We're talking seamless conversations with locals, ordering food with confidence, and navigating new cities like a pro. You can ask for recommendations, understand cultural nuances, and even make new friends without the language barrier holding you back. And it's not just about understanding others. The TransBuds A8 can translate your speech too, making two-way communication effortless. This means you can express yourself clearly and be understood, fostering deeper connections and more meaningful interactions. The design is sleek and comfortable for all-day wear, and the audio quality is top-notch for music and calls. Whether you're on a long flight exploring a new city or just relaxing in your hotel room, these earbuds provide a comfortable and immersive audio experience. Honestly, these earbuds are a must-have for anyone looking to break down language barriers and truly immerse themselves in different cultures. They open up a world of possibilities, allowing you to experience new places and meet new people in a way that was never possible before. With the Wooask TransBuds A8, the world is truly at your fingertips, or rather in your ears. So whether you're a frequent traveler, a business professional, or just someone who loves to explore, these earbuds are the perfect companion for your adventures. Next up, we're tackling the eternal struggle of travelers everywhere, keeping our devices juiced up on the go. Whether you're on a business trip, a vacation, or just a weekend getaway, staying connected is crucial. But finding a reliable power source can be a real challenge. Introducing the Makea AllInOne 160W charger and travel adapter. This isn't just any charger. It's a game changer for anyone who needs to keep multiple devices powered up while on the move. This compact powerhouse is about to revolutionize your travel charging game. Imagine never having to worry about your phone dying in the middle of an important call, or your laptop running out of juice during a crucial presentation. First off, the power 160 watts. That's a lot of power packed into a small device. It's like having a mini power station in your bag. That's enough to charge your laptop, phone, tablet, and then some, all at the same time at blazing fast speeds. No more waiting around for one device to charge before plugging in the next. And forget about carrying a separate adapter. This bad boy has interchangeable plugs for outlets worldwide. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or the Americas, you'll always have the right plug. It's like having a universal power bank and adapter in one sleek package. No more fumbling with multiple chargers and adapters, just one device that does it all. The build quality is solid with a premium feel, and it's surprisingly lightweight and portable. You can easily slip it into your backpack or carry on without adding extra bulk. No more battery anxiety on your adventures. The Mecha AllInOne has you covered. Whether you're hiking in the mountains, exploring a new city, or just lounging by the pool, you can rest easy knowing your devices will stay powered up. So go ahead, power up anywhere and everywhere with the Makea AllInOne 160W charger and travel adapter. Your travel experience just got a whole lot better. Now let's talk about safety and security on the road. A top priority for any traveler, the Paladin Pro hidden camera detector is here to give you peace of mind wherever you go. This discreet device is about the size of a car key and packs some serious tech to detect hidden cameras. Think Airbnb rentals, hotel rooms, public restrooms. The Paladin Pro can scan for those sneaky pinhole cameras that can compromise your privacy. It's incredibly easy to use. Just turn it on, and it'll alert you if it detects any hidden lenses. The peace of mind it provides is invaluable, especially when you're in unfamiliar surroundings. Plus, it doubles as a flashlight, making it a practical and essential travel companion. WICOMM, MiFi. Stay connected globally. Staying connected while traveling can be a challenge, especially if you're hopping between countries. But fear not, the WICOMM MiFi is here to keep you online and connected, no matter where your adventures take you. This pocket-sized device is the most affordable way to get reliable internet access in over 130 countries. Just pop in a local SIM card and you're good to go. No more exorbitant roaming charges or hunting for Wi-Fi hotspots. The WICOMM MiFi offers impressive speed and a long-lasting battery life, perfect for streaming, browsing, or staying productive on the go. It's also incredibly easy to set up and use, making it ideal for even the least tech-savvy travelers. iTravel Mini, your passport's digital guardian. Let's face it, losing your passport is a traveler's worst nightmare. It's not just an inconvenience, it can completely derail your travel plans, cause significant stress, and even lead to missed flights or other travel connections. But the iTravel Mini is here to ensure that never happens. Imagine having a device that not only keeps your passport safe, but also gives you peace of mind knowing you can always locate it. This isn't just your average passport holder, it's a multifunctional digital guardian for your most important travel document. It combines cutting-edge technology with practical design to offer unparalleled protection and convenience. First off, it keeps your passport safe and secure with RFID blocking technology, preventing electronic theft. In today's digital age, electronic pickpocketing is a real threat, and the iTravel Mini ensures your personal information remains protected. But here's where it gets really cool. It has built-in GPS tracking. This feature is a game changer for travelers who are always on the go. That's right, you can track the location of your passport in real time using your smartphone. Whether you're at the airport, a hotel, or exploring a new city, you'll always know exactly where your passport is. No more frantic searches if you misplace it. The iTravel Mini app provides a seamless user experience, allowing you to quickly and easily locate your passport with just a few taps. The iTravel Mini also features a slim and stylish design, making it easy to slip into your pocket or bag. Its sleek appearance means you don't have to sacrifice style for security. It's the ultimate combination of security and peace of mind for any traveler. With the iTravel Mini, you can travel with confidence, knowing that your passport is always protected and within reach. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional vacationer, this innovative device is a must-have for anyone who values their peace of mind while traveling. Sego Charger, solar power on the go. For all you eco-conscious adventurers out there, the Sego Charger is about to become your new best friend. This isn't your typical bulky solar panel. The Sego Charger folds down to the size of a wallet, making it incredibly portable. But don't let its compact size fool you. This thing can harness the power of the sun to charge your devices wherever you are. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or lounging on the beach, the Sego Charger ensures you've got a reliable source of renewable energy. It's made from durable, weather-resistant materials, and it's surprisingly efficient at converting sunlight into power. Sustainable travel just got a whole lot easier. FUKANGYA 3-in-1 hairdryer travel size styling powerhouse. Last but not least, let's talk about maintaining that travel style. The FUKANGYA 3-in-1 portable mini hairdryer is here to keep you looking sharp on the go. This compact device is a hairdryer, straightener, and curling iron all in one. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it perfect for packing in your carry-on. Don't let the size fool you. This little powerhouse delivers impressive heat and airflow for quick and efficient styling. It also features multiple heat settings and attachments to cater to different hair types and styles. Whether you need a quick touch-up or a full-on styling session, the FUKANGYA 3-in-1 has got you covered. So, there you have it. 7 incredible travel gadgets that are about to change the way you explore the world. From language-translating earbuds to solar-powered chargers, these innovations are all about enhancing your travel experiences and making your journey smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. If you're as excited about these gadgets as I am, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which one you're adding to your travel kit. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and travel tips. Until next time, safe travels.